Today we discuss the topic determinant. For each square matrix A, we can associate a number or an expression called determinant of A. Let us see how we find the determinant of a square matrix. The determinant is defined only for the square matrix. That is, for non-square matrix, determinant is not defined. First we find the determinant of a 1 cross 1 matrix. Let A equals matrix 2. Here it has one row and one column, so it's a 1 cross 1 matrix. It is a square matrix. Its number of rows equal to number of columns. Then determinant A denoted by this symbol or dit A. Determinant A is denoted by dit A or by this form. Okay, determinant A is equal to 2. Here, in the case of 1 cross 1 matrix, determinant A is equal to 2. Now we consider the determinant of a 2 cross 2 matrix. A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, A is a 2 cross 2 matrix and the determinant of A equals determinant 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can find determinant A by multiplying 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2. 4 minus 6 equals minus 2. That is, in generally, consider a 2 cross 2 matrix. A equals matrix A1, B1, A2, B2. Then determinant A equals determinant A1, B1, A2, B2. This determinant equals, first we multiply the main diagonal and the non-diagonal and subtract the product. Here A1, B2 minus A2, B1. A1, B2 minus A2, B1. Okay. This method is applicable for a 2 cross 2 matrix. Now we consider a 3 cross 3 matrix. A equals matrix A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Determinant A equals determinant A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 and A3, B3, C3. Determinant of a 3 cross 3 matrix can be found by expansion along the first row or expansion along the second row or expansion along the third row. Similarly, the expansions along the first column, expansion along the second column or expansion along the third column. All these expansion are equal to a unique number. Okay, determinant value is unique. So, if we expand the determinant using any row or any column, we get the same answer. Okay, first expansion along the first row. How we can find determinant of a 3 cross 3 matrix? Here I expand it to the first row. Okay, so A1 into, that is A1 into deleting the column and row including A1. A1 belongs to the first row, first column. So first we delete the first column and the first row. We get a determinant. If we delete this column and this row, we get the determinant as B2, C1 and B3, C3. Here it is A1 into B2, C2, B3, C3 minus second element, first row, second element is B1. B1 into a determinant. This determinant is obtained by deleting the column of B1 and the row of B1, that we get A2 C2 and the A3 C3. Okay, plus C1 into, next is plus C1 into, deleting the column and the row in which C1 belongs, we get the determinant A2 B2 and A3 B3. Okay, so determinant expansion along the first row. Then A1 into, here the determinant is a 2 cross 2 determinant. So we can find the determinant as B2 C3, B2 C3 minus B3 C2. Okay, minus B1 into, here the determinant is A2 C3 minus A3 C2 plus C1 into determinant A2 B3 minus A3 B2. Okay, multiply A1 into the bracket, we get A1 B2 C3 minus A1 B3 C2 minus B1 A2 C3. B1 A2 C3 is A2 B1 C3 and again plus A3 B1 C2 and plus A2 B3 C1 minus A3 B2 C1. Okay, now we get the determinant A. Here we using the expansion along the first row, or we can do this determinant by expansion along the second row. These two answers are same. So because determinant has a unique value. Expansion along the second row. Check the expansion along the second row. Here determinant A equals minus A2. Here determinant A is minus A2. Why we choose it as minus A2? Okay, I explain. Here A1 is the first row, first element. Let it be positive. Let it be positive. Alternate sign change, that is B1 has a negative sign and C1 has a positive sign. Then A1 is negative, B2 is positive, C2 is negative. Okay, A3 is positive, B3 negative and C3 negative. Because here the first row, first element, so minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 is positive. So let's know that first row, first element is positive and take the alternate sign change. So plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, again plus. Okay. So expansion along second row starting with the minus A2. Minus A2 into, now we delete this row and this column. Delete the first row and second column. We get B1 C3 and B3 C1. Here the determinant is B1 C1 and B3 C3. Okay. Plus B2 into, here we delete the row including B2 and the column including B2. We get A1 C1. Determinant A1 C1, A3 C3. Okay. Then minus C2. Second row, third column is minus C2. Minus C2 into, we delete the row and column in which C2 belongs. So we delete the third column and the second row. We get the determinant A1 B1 and the A3 B3. Okay, A3 B3. Now we expand the two cross 2 determinant. We get minus A2 into B1 C3 minus B3 C1 plus B2 into A1 C3 minus A3 C1 and minus C2 into A1 B3 minus A3 B1. Then multiply A2 into the bracket. We get minus A2 B1 C3 plus A2 B3 C1 plus B2 A1 C3 minus A3 B2 C1 minus A1 C2 B3 plus A3 B1 C2. These two answers are equal. Now we check these two are equal. Here A1 B1 C3. Here A1 B2 C3. Here also A1 B2 C3. Okay. Here minus A1 B3 C2. Minus A1 B3 C2. Here also minus A1 B3 C2. Again here minus A2 B1 C3 minus A2 B1 C3. The first term is minus A2 B1 C3 and here it is A3 B1 C2. A3 B1 C2. The last term is A3 B1 C2. Okay. Now A2 B3 C1. A2 B3 C1. Here also A2 B3 C1 and minus A3 B2 C1. Here also minus A3 B2 C1. So these two answers are equal. If you expand it along the third row, you get again the same answer, or you can expand it through the first column or first row or second column or third column, you get the same answer. Okay. One thing to remind is here the sign of the elements, starting with the positive sign and the alternate sign change will exist. Okay. Find the determinant of the matrix A equals matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Determinant A equals determinant 1, 2, 3, 4. For 2 cross 2 matrix, we multiply 4 into 1 is 4, minus 3 into 1 is minus 6. So we get the answer minus 2. Find the determinant of the matrix. Matrix 1, 3, 2, 2, 0, 1, 3, 4, 3. Here it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Determinant A equals determinant of this matrix. First we expand through the first row. First row expansion, how we can find the determinant through the first row expansion. Here determinant A equals 1 into deleting the row and column 1 belongs. So 1 into determinant 1 0 1 4 3 minus 3. Here also we know that in the first row the numbers have the sign plus minus plus. So 1 into determinant 0 1 4 3 and minus 3 into determinant deleting the column and the row in which 3 belongs. We get 2 1 and 3 3. Okay, determinant 2 1 3 3. Next, this first row third element is having the sign plus. So plus 2 into determinant deleting the row and column in which 2 belongs. So 2 0 3 4. Okay. Then 1 into, it is a 2 cross 2 determinant, 0 into 3 is 0, minus 4 into 1 4, minus 3 into 2 into 3 6, minus 3, plus 2 into 4 8, minus 0. So the answer is 3. Okay. Now we consider expansion through second column also. We know that these two answers are equal, but now we check it. Okay. 1, 3, 2. Expand through the second column, not row, second column. In second column, the elements have the sign minus, plus, minus. Okay. So minus 3 into, we delete the column and row in which minus 3 belongs. We get 2, 1, 3, 3. Determinant 2, 1, 3, 3. Next is 0. 0 into, we get the determinant as, if we delete the column and the row in which 0 belongs, is determinant 1, 2 and 3, 3. Minus 4 into, next 4, the sign of 4 is negative. Sign of the third row second element is negative. Okay, sign of 4, that means sign of second row, third column is negative. Okay, so deleting this second column and the third row, we get the determinant 1, 2 and 2, 1. Okay, determinant 1, 2, 2, 1. Then minus 3 into expanding this determinant 6 minus 3. C plus 0 into any number is 0. So minus 4 into 1 minus 4. After calculation we get the answer 3. These two answers are equal. If we expand through any row or column, we get the same answer. Okay.